You can see the budgie gets a real it's it seems to just love it. It loves looking at herself, sitting on it. She even takes a chew out of it and takes a nibble here and there. So yeah, as you she's getting a real kick out of it. I put the camera in and yeah, she thinks she's a star. And as you can see, yeah, she's getting all the selfie time she can. Definitely budgie. The more she sees it. Female budgies. They seem to love the attention. Just, yeah. See, you think either thinks it's a mirror, but actually she sees herself and she loves it. So, yeah, it becomes a new toy. I don't know about you, I just get a kick out of this stuff. Seeing animals at play, but they're just so cute the way they carry on and, act, and it's they're enjoyable, that's for sure. They are definitely enjoyable. She's trying to have a nibble with it, but it's made of very tough plastic and tough rubber, so good luck to her. But yeah, you get the idea. Every time I put it in there, she just gets a kick out of it. So anyway, take care everyone. Bye.